Adding a background image in Mailchimp can make your emails more visually appealing. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Create or edit a campaign. Click on Campaigns and either create a new campaign by selecting Create Campaign or choose an existing campaign to edit. Access the email builder. Click Design Email to enter the email builder where you can customize your email layout. Select the section for the background image. In the email builder, choose a section where you want to add the background image. This could be the entire email, a specific row, or a particular content block. Open Section Settings. Click on the section or row you want to customize. A settings panel will appear on the right side. Add the background image. Look for the background or design option within the settings panel. Click Add Background Image or Upload to upload an image from your computer or choose from Mailchimp's image library. Customize the image. Adjust the image settings such as alignment, size, and repeat options to ensure it fits well within the section. You can also apply overlay colors or opacity to enhance text readability against the background. Save and preview. Click Save and Close to apply changes. Use the preview option to check how the background image appears on different devices and email clients. Send or schedule. Once satisfied with the design, click Continue to finalize your campaign. Choose to send immediately or schedule for a later time.